Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market, you might have noticed that the market is becoming a little volatile and very unpredictable, because yesterday we noticed a little bit of pullback, while today we see the market climbing again and Doge leading the chart while it's about to test the 20-cent resistance again. Now if we pay attention to the trading volume, you guys can see that it has exceeded the $2.5 billion mark, which is very good. On the other end, Elon Musk's influence on Dogecoin price, the community anticipates a potential rally very soon as we're closing in on 420. Also, Uniswap receives an enforcement notice, but Dogecoin is set as a commodity, and at the same time Tesla is still holding on to Dogecoin. Before we get into all of this, if you guys are here for the first time, you want to stay up to date with everything to do with Dogecoin, scroll down, tap the red subscribe button. While you're there, slap a like on the video. It'll just help the algorithm push the video to more people. More people see the positive side of Dogecoin, they decide to buy into it, the social engagement goes up, the whales join in, the price goes explosive, and we all make a lot of profit. Now, one important thing that you should be paying very close attention to is the price action, because you guys can see yesterday we did notice that the price actually did fall all the way down to 18 cents, but it was only for a single hour and there was a recovery. That means when the price made it to this zone, there must have been a lot of limit orders that would have been triggered. And when I mean limit orders, I mean the limit buy orders that would have been triggered, and that caused the price to spike back. Now right now again we're sitting at a really important barrier, as 20 cents is going to be another resistance that we will be trying to break. Most of the people that decided to take the buy order around the 18 cents must have taken their profit close to 20 cents. That's why we only went over it for a very short period of time and then were able to, you know, go back into a consolidation zone. I do want to mention something important. The reason for the big rally drop yesterday, you guys might have noticed in a single hour Bitcoin actually had a really strong spike down as well, is obviously the CPI data came out for the US government and caused the US dollar to go explosive. So therefore the crypto market decided to take a little bit of a pullback. Now speculation exists about Musk incorporating Dogecoin payments into X, potentially expanding Dogecoin's utility and market presence. Despite a drop in the trading volume by 23%, the Dogecoin ecosystem development like RuneStop airdrop and sparks investor interest. Now just keep in mind, when it comes to Elon Musk, there are some key things that you need to pay attention to. First of all, in 4 days we are going to be on the 15th of April. If you do not know, in the previous times we have seen 15th of April as a very key date for Dogecoin. It's nothing special, but usually around the 15th of April is when the price starts going explosive. And if we just talk about 2021, you can see 15th of April, just in the next 4 days after the 15th of April, we went up by 400%. So that should give you a little bit of perspective. And at the same time, after 4 days or 5 days, it's going to be 20th of April, which is 420, which was pronounced by Elon Musk as Doge Day. And what is another big thing happening on the 20th of April? It's going to be Bitcoin halving event. So are we going to be seeing some crazy move from Dogecoin? That will be something we will have to wait and see. Now Dogecoin is a commodity. The SEC looks to sue Uniswap for offering unregistered securities. Yet another example that SEC won't back down. Yet another example of how any centralized point can be dangerous to crypto, even they are DeFi. Now they're taking down Uniswap, which is obviously just talking about all the meme tokens which come on Ethereum chain, but is something else going to be happening to things like Jupiter or PancakeSwap? That would be a little concerning in my opinion. Now, just a small reminder, if you guys remember last time when Tesla released some information about their company, they did mention this is wrong. Definite consistently have maintained, including the sworn declaration, that Tesla has never sold their Dogecoin. So keep that in mind, and Elon has hinted to the fact that Tesla might start accepting Dogecoin as a form of payment for Tesla. So if that happens, you guys know that's going to be very good. And you can see that SEC is trending on Twitter as they're going against Uniswap. On the other end, I want to show you guys something interesting. So yesterday we talked about how the trading volume has dipped quite significantly, but now it is back up. And while we are on the topic of trading volume, look at this. The open interest has gone up by 10%, which is significant considering the fact that's close to $100 million more trading volume that has come in, or just open interest that has come in. If we talk about the long to short, this will give you a little bit of perspective. So as soon as we hit the 20-cent mark, now we're back to the 70% long ratio to 30%, while yesterday when we were at 18 cents it was more like 75 to 25. If we talk about the whales, you guys can see today one of these whales was purchasing and the price just had 1 cent increase, and there was a sale from this whale. So you can see that these whales are not very long-term holders, and that's exactly what's causing the price to have more problems. But if you look at this whale on the other end, every single day buying $2 million worth of Dogecoin, just to give you perspective, they want to make sure that their DCA is very good price. On the other end, what happened to Dogecoin after the Bitcoin halving event 4 years ago? Well, in simple terms, just pay attention, because Dogecoin, the first meme coin, launched in 2011. Following the last event 4 years ago, Dogecoin saw a surge of 7,000% in its price. Maybe something similar might not be created this year, but just pay attention that we might be seeing a really good surge in a really short period of time. And seeing that 420 is so close to the Bitcoin halving event, that's going to play a very positive impact. At Bitcoin Originals update, Binance drops support, Dogecoin clones emerge. Now this is really important. There are so many scams that are going around. Be very careful who you send your money to and how much you send. Dogecoin at the end of April, I say between 24 to 26 cents. Just for fun, let's see if artificial intelligence can conquer us soon. However, forecasting the potential, you guys can see that artificial intelligence is guessing that in a month, Dogecoin price might actually see a little bit of a pullback from what we have seen. Hey, that would be a little scary if it gets it right. Dogecoin millionaires are increasing. Investors with more than $1 million in Dogecoin revealed, and let's just say the amount of people have surged quite heavy. Now that just gives you perspective that in total 1,100 currently hold more than $1 million worth of Dogecoin. Now Dogecoin's rough day, price dips by 5%, while WIF and everything enjoys a gain. Well, that was changed very quickly as Doge is able to hold the price close to 20 cents. Personally, I feel like the next 5 days are going to be very volatile. If you guys are going to be leverage trading, be a little cautious. And finally, some good news. Let's just say creator and investor of Dogecoin Lemonade is making his mission doing only good every day come true by supporting the animal shelter with 2% of the profits from the sales. Really good to see. Personally, makes me really happy when, you know, supporting the locals and also just supporting for a good cause. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, drop a like on. If you're new to the channel, want to stay up to date with everything, subscribe, and I'll see you guys very soon. I'm out.